So here's my reciprocating sander, sort of a custom hack tool. And what this does is this helps to sand inside of the juice grooves without rounding over these corners here, which is easy to do but when sanding by hand. And it also helps to keep this smooth and flat throughout the groove, so you can run your fingers up and down it and it feels good. It doesn't feel all bumpy and that sort of thing. Basically works like that. This groove here is a little bit wider than the profile here, and so I just go back and forth. I definitely recommend cutting off the teeth as I did there, because otherwise you could. It is a reciprocating saw. Now, you know the rule to sand with the grain. Now, the reciprocating saw sanded with a grain here and with a grain here, but not here because the groove is running this way. So, to remedy that, I have added a step, which is to use a Dremel rotary tool. So, I have just a grinding bit on there with Velcro super glued to it, with sandpaper that has a loop back on it stuck to that. And so this will rotate with the grain, and that will allow that finishing step to be done very naturally. So why not start with this? Why use the reciprocating thing at all? Well, this will follow any ups and downs. But now that it's flat from the reciprocating saw, then I can just go right up, hit a few times on each side, and the job is done. And there we have a nice, really smooth surface, even the end grains here on that side and that side, that is sanded well, sanded flat, and with the grain.